Meaning of hard labor.
Hard labor.
Hard labor.
Hard labor.
Hard labor. Hard labor refers to physical work that is often performed as a form of punishment, typically in prisons or detention centers. The nature of hard labor varies but generally involves intense physical exertion, such as breaking rocks, digging ditches, or carrying heavy loads. Hard labor is intended to be grueling and unpleasant, serving as a deterrent for criminal behavior. The result of hard labor can be both physical and psychological, with individuals experiencing exhaustion, muscle strains, and long-term health problems. Additionally, the psychological effects of hard labor include depression, anxiety, and a loss of sense of self-worth.